Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I added a bit more sparkle to my home using inexpensive items from my local thrift store. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this really pretty glass vase that I picked up for less than $3. I applied 2 coats of silver enamel paint to my vase, and then I mixed together Mod Podge and silver extra fine glitter, and I added a coat of that mixture to my vase as well. Once my vase was completely dry, I added some of this pearl wrap that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. I'm attaching my pearl wrap with well bond glue. I also added pearl wrap to the base and the neck of my vase as well. I found this very unique ceramic vase, and I've decided to give it 2 coats of satin acrylic paint in the color Licorice. Once my vase was completely dry, I added some of these 1-inch round mirrors that I picked up from Michael's. I'm also using some of these diamond-shaped half-inch mirrors that I picked up from Amazon. Originally, I only added mirrors to the top half of my vase, but I later decided to add additional round mirrors to the bottom half of the vase as well. I allowed my vase to dry overnight, and here's the finished look. I found a third vase, and I loved everything about this vase except the color, but that's an easy fix. I took my vase out to a well-ventilated area, and I gave it 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. Next, I used Mod Podge to add this vintage silver glass glitter that I picked up from Michael's to the neck of my vase. I used 2 small containers of this glass glitter for this project. Once I was happy with my coverage, I sealed my glass glitter with this Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer. To tone down the silver finish just a bit, I'm adding small amounts of this champagne gold paint that I already had at home. To add sparkle to the bottom half of my vase, I'm using that same Mod Podge and silver extra fine glitter combination. I purchased this assorted pack of gems from Michael's some time ago, and I've decided to use these 6mm gems for this project. I continued to add more gems, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I think that all 3 of my thrift store vases turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.